Hey guys, in today's video, I will be testing out a few removal methods for my dip powder. I had this dip powder set on for about, I would say 3 weeks, and I'm pretty rough with my nails and it really lasted long. This was a dip powder set using Rossi nails, Rossi. I had a couple of videos posted of me doing those sets. So the first method I'm going to be using is, as you see, the e-file. I got this e-file off of Amazon. I'm going to link the product below so you guys can find it if you want. And I'm using a carbide bit. And this was a pretty easy process. You're just going to go over the nails. You're trying to remove the shiny layer and at least the first layer of dip powder, so that it's easier once you go to soak off the powder. So I'm just showing you guys how I'm doing it. I'm being very careful, not touching my skin, just taking off the first layer of that dip powder. I think I was doing this, removing it for about 10 minutes on just my left hand. So that's my first test is it easier or faster to use the e-file? And I think that I like the e-file versus on the right hand. I went ahead and used a regular file that you can find at any store, and it had 180 grit. So the e-file, you definitely have to be careful so you won't cut yourself, but it was quicker to remove the first layers and the top coat with the e-file. Completely removing the top layers with the e-file took about 20 minutes. It was pretty long, but it's safer to remove, if you're a beginner, to remove layers with a regular file. So here I have this special little dish. I'm putting hot water at the bottom, and I'm going to close the top of the dish and add acetone to the top. So what I've noticed, because I've been getting my nails done for forever and now I'm just starting to practice doing my own, but what I've noticed is that if you warm acetone, it quickly dissolves more quickly dissolves than when it's cold. So that was the idea behind putting the hot water in the dish and then closing the top. So here I'm going to be using the foil wrap method. So what you do is grab a cotton ball, and then the acetone, you soak the cotton ball with acetone. And of course you don't need a lot for one nail, so you can pretty much use one cotton ball for one hand if you want. But you're gonna soak the cotton ball with acetone, place the cotton ball on top of your nail, and then enclose your nail in the foil. So I soaked my nails in acetone for about 10 minutes, and this is after the 10 minutes. So as you see, on my pointer finger, it's coming off. No problem. That 10 minutes was like the best 10 minutes ever. I was shocked. I was like, wow, okay, it came off. So as you see, it didn't totally come off. So I think I soaked it for another minute and everything came off. Now, the foil method, And as you see, the cotton ball is super wet. You saw that juice come out of there, the acetone juice, but no. And I think I kind of hurt my nail here. I'd like, yeah, that was not smart. But yeah, it didn't work, and I was struggling. So yay to the soak method, no to the foil method.